Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install a floating floor in your kitchen. Now we're actually going to be using a waterproof system. Reason being, you have dishwashers, you have a lot of people eating and drinking in the kitchen. We want that waterproof system in the kitchen so that way your seams don't buckle on you. This waterproof system is actually made of plastic and they interlock from the top down rather than a natural tongue and groove system. It's actually really cool. When you lay it down, you want to make sure that your groove sides are facing back towards your wall. So we'll take our plank, lay it into place about a ½ inch from our wall. Don't worry about the gap, your trim will cover that. We'll come down here, we'll line up our corners and just simply press it down into place. Now when laying this floor, you want to make sure that you scatter your joints. Don't put one joint right on top of another. So we have a joint here. Then our next joint is going to be all the way over there. So we'll lay it right on top, just press it down into place. Now you'll go along and do this across your entire floor. So laying your kitchen floor is basically like laying any other floor. The only difference is you got to watch out for that moisture and that water. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you all for watching. Good luck with this project.